Hello, all you lovely people! Spring has sprung, and if you are like me, that means a little spring cleaning fever is settling in. Whether you are a DIY kind of person or are interested in having the We Love Messes crew come to your rescue, I thought now, among all the craziness of COVID-19, would be a great time to chat about the differences between cleaning, sanitizing, and disinfecting. So let's start with cleaning, which is something near and dear to my heart. Cleaning is all about removing dust, dirt, germs, and other impurities on surfaces. This is We Love Messes jam. From floors to ceiling fans and just about everything in between, we clean it. This is a soap, water, and cleanser meets elbow grease kind of job. Sanitizing takes it to the next level. You work to reduce the opportunities for bacteria and viruses to grow. You might step up your cleansing product game and frequency. And then we have disinfecting. Disinfecting is all about killing those bacteria, germs, viruses, the bad guys. This is probably what you think of when you see that familiar can of spray. Before you can disinfect a surface, though, it has to be clean. Then you need to make sure you have an EPA-registered household disinfectant. Just check the labels and read and follow the directions. Depending on the surface, a diluted bleach solution might be appropriate for disinfecting. You also need to pay attention to dwell time. Dwell time. What? That is the amount of time the surface needs to stay moist. And yes, I know some of you love that word. Stay moist with the disinfectant solution in order to be effective. Read your labels. If you spray and then wipe, you are not disinfecting properly. Now, we know not everyone is a DIY cleaning obsessed person like I am, and thank goodness, or I wouldn't have a job. My crew and I get some sort of bubbly excitement satisfaction from cleaning. And during this COVID craziness, I thought it would be a good time to tell you more about what we provide. We clean. We bring that sparkle to your home. We remove the dust, the grime, the built-up impurities on the surface so your home can shine. And what's our favorite tool? Elbow grease and a little water and cleanser on the side. We are also at this time disinfecting high-touch surfaces like door handles, light switches, remotes, the things that get touched frequently. And we do all of those services while wearing masks and gloves. So currently, for the safety of our staff and all of our dear clients, we are implementing a 24-hour window pause. This means that our residential cleaning technicians may enter a property to clean only after a minimum of 24 hours after guests have checked out or residents have been absent. We realize this is not the most convenient situation for many homeowners, but for now, we believe an abundance of precaution is called for. Be sure and reach out and let us know if you have any questions. We are in full spring cleaning mode here at We Love Messes, and we would love to help you make your space sparkle. Call, email, or message us today, and we look forward to talking to you.